In this series, I am going to recreate this whole game that me and my friend made a year ago to see if I can create Roblox. Our first step in this video is to create the UI, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so in this first clip, I am making the first button. Now in this first button, I did think I was going with food, but instead I changed it later on to strength. Now what I could remember from this, I did go with a dark blue for the button, or for the label. I can't remember what it is, but I went with strength, and I was trying to figure out how to use the button because this is my first time ever using something like Photopea to import it into Roblox Studio, you know what I mean? So that's what I went with, and what you're seeing right now is the process that I went through. It took me about, I would say 10 minutes, maybe 5, between those two to make this button, or to make this label. We're gonna put this inside the game in a couple of minutes, so enjoy the quick time lapse. Okay, now I know you guys have never seen my game before, but to give you some background on this game, me and my friend, we actually started making this game years ago because we wanted to try out game development. And as you see, it didn't go so well. But, you know, that's what this series is for. It's for me to improve on game development and to learn some scripting, UI, whatever, you know, it needs to be, so I can make my dream game, you know what I mean? But this is supposed to be a clicker game, but now I'm going to make it like a kind of superpower trading simulator, if you guys know what I mean. But what I'm trying to do in this clip is I'm trying to figure out, like, you know, where I want, you know, my strength button to be, or my strength label. I don't know why I keep saying button, but you guys know what I mean. I'm not gonna lie, it did take me more than a long time to figure it out, okay? Gosh, I had a voice crack, but it did take me more than a long time. I'm very indecisive when it comes to making buttons and labels to where I want them to be. I feel like they need to be like perfect. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little glitch with like my visual thing with my Roblox. I try to like put it to the top, but like when I like put it into the actual Roblox game, it like is like way further than it's supposed to be. I don't know, when you guys will see it, then when I'm trying to fix it in either in this clip or in a few other clips later on. So enjoy this second time lapse of me doing this. Hope you guys enjoy. Now for the second part, I began working on the other two text labels, which is durability and speed. I'm going to use these for stats in my game, and then also you will see me working on the shop buttons, which will be VIP, store, rebirth, and I can't remember the other thing, but oh, it was teleport. Yeah, teleport. You guys will see me be working on them, and then you guys will see how I rearranged it inside the game. Now, to be honest with you, these were kind of hard to put in the game, because it was like when I first put them in there, the proportions wasn't right, and then, you know, it was just kind of confusing to me at first, but I think I got the hang of it later on as, you know, I got into it more. Now I know this will be kind of hard to script as a beginner, because, you know, I'm new to all this and I'm trying to do it from scratch, you know, but it is what it is. So enjoy the time lapse, and there will be more. Okay guys, so this is the last part of the video. This is me putting the GUIs and stuff inside the game. To be honest, I am very, very impressed of how this came out. This is like my second time doing this, like I said. And I must say I'm very proud of myself because this is amazing. I like how it looks great. Now the next part is definitely trying to script this. And I do not know if I want to do that. But if you guys learned something, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Pimp Daddy out.